Looking for an honest breakdown of the LG 77-inch Class OLED evo? Let's take a closer look at this highly rated TV and see if it lives up to its impressive specs. The LG 77-inch Class OLED evo boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart from other TVs on the market. The OLED technology has been perfected over the past 12 years, delivering stunning picture quality with perfect blacks and vivid colors. But what really sets this TV apart is its brightness booster technology, which magnifies each individual pixel for luminous quality. The LG 77-inch Class OLED evo also features an Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8, which is the brains behind a truly unforgettable viewing experience. This processor uses AI super upscaling to automatically enhance picture quality, whether you're watching sports, movies, or your favorite late-night show. And with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But how does it perform in real-world use? The LG 77-inch Class OLED evo is a breeze to use, thanks to its intuitive WebOS platform. With features like Filmmaker Mode, you can experience films just as the director intended. And with Dolby Vision, you'll get extraordinary color, contrast, and brightness. And when it comes to connectivity, this TV has got you covered, with multiple HDMI ports and built-in Wi-Fi. One of the standout features of the LG 77-inch Class OLED evo is its design and build quality. The nearly invisible bezel makes it blend seamlessly into any space, and with Art Gallery mode, you can display your favorite artwork or photos on the screen. And when it comes to everyday use, this TV performs flawlessly, delivering stunning picture quality even in bright rooms. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some limitations. The LG 77-inch Class OLED evo does require a bit of calibration to get the most out of its picture quality, and some users may find it a bit pricey. But overall, this TV is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-end viewing experience. So what's the verdict? If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line TV with stunning picture quality and impressive features, the LG 77-inch Class OLED evo is definitely worth considering. With its impressive specs, intuitive interface, and exceptional performance, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description.